Hello everyone and welcome back for the computer session. So today we are going to learn through this session, that is lesson number 5. And the lesson number 5 is Introduction to HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. In this lesson, the points which we are going to be learn are what is hypertext markup language. Then we will learn how to create, save and view web page. Then we will learn HTML element and their types. Next point will be HTML head, title, and body elements. Then we will learn HTML font, base font, and their element. Then we will learn applying text style, different text style, how to apply that we are going to cover. Then aligning text into left, right, and center means to arrange. Then we will learn paragraph settings, paragraph formatting and all. Then inserting blank page and horizontal lines. So the next point is inserting blank lines and horizontal lines, how we can create or insert blank lines and horizontal lines. Then inserting comments in an HTML program. If you want to insert any comment, how to insert those comments, that also we are going to cover. So these are the all point which we are going to cover through this session. So today we will cover only the first 2 points, what is hypertext markup language and creating, saving, viewing a web page. Got it? So let's move further and let's cover what is hypertext markup language. In this topic, there are subtopics. Those topics are what is hypertext markup language, introduction, and then history of HTML, then features and benefits of HTML, and what are the tags. The 4 point we are going, sub points we are going to cover under this, what is hypertext markup language under this title. So let's begin with hypertext. What is hypertext markup language? So a software such as HTML, XML, and ASP and font page are used for designing website. HTML is an ideal software for you to learn website designing, as the HTML code gives you complete flexible designing a web page. So in short, we are going to learn through this hypertext markup language. With the help of this HTML, we are going to learn how to design the website. So it is an web designing software. What is hypertext markup language? This is web designing software. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, where each word has its own significance. Like, so here is a full form of hypertext HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language, and each word has its significance. Like hyper, the word hyper is opposite of limit, means hyper means unlimited, which signifies that the user can view World Wide Web page by moving anywhere in the world. So it doesn't have the limit of place, it doesn't have the limit of place. Got it? So the word hyper is the opposite of limit, which signifies that user can view worldwide, from the world, in any corner we can view it and on the way. Got it? Next is text. Text is anything written in English for alphanumeric characters. So in this, generally we are using the text. So here it is given the letter text. Next is markup. Markup means after writing, you can mark up what you have written as special indicator for various types. In short, we can do makeup, means we can make it more attractive and more interactive for the user. So markup means to make up a text or make interactive a text. And the last one is L. L stands for language. Language signifies that HTML is a language. However, unlike traditional programming language, HTML does not have the concept and uses of variables or consonant. HTML is a tab as a scripting language. Okay. Actually, the other comparatively another computer languages has their commands, their there we have to use temporary memory like variable or consonant. So in this, such case is not available. This is like we have to just script. We have to script. When we will learn practically, easily we will understand. So it is an scripting language, not like defining variables and files and all. So it's very easy. So in short, hypertext markup language is designed for designing website. It is used for designing website. And hypertext markup language is a full form of HTML, and each word meaning just now we have covered. Now next point, which is HTML code include two kinds of text. Okay, and those are content. Content is the information to be displayed on the screen, like text, picture, audio, and video. It has two parts. And second one is markup. Markup is the information inserted in the HTML script to control the display. So generally what happens when you see the website, okay, through this HTML, we are going to learn how to design the website. So whenever you are going to create a website, so that time you have to display some text, so that you can use with the help of content. And you have to decorate it. Suppose you want to display your name on the website. So if you want to display with the red color, so how you can do the changes, that you can do with the help of markup. With the help of content, you can display your name. With the help of markup, you can color it, you can resize it. So that way. So HTML codes includes two kinds of text, content text as well as markup text. Then now we will move to history of HTML. HTML is developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, please remember this name. It's very popular name, very famous name. It can be asked in general knowledge questions somewhere in the exams. Also, it's for your good for your knowledge. HTML is developed by Tim Berners-Lee. The scientist or the software engineer is Tim Berners-Lee, and it is developed in late 1993. Okay, the process actually started from the 1940 when internet was getting flourishing. It was getting very popularized, and slowly gradually people started to share the files, and then there was a need of such programs. So this started from 1940, and then it is developed HTML language. Actually the HTML is developed for advanced version of HTML. HTML is the older version of HTML. Its full form is Standard Generalized Markup Language. First it is developed, but HTML was finally developed in 1993, and it is based on SGML. HTML is based on SGML. And later on, the various version of HTMLs are introduced. It started from 1993, HTML 1.0, then HTML 2.0, then HTML 3.0, then HTML 3.2, then introduced HTML 4.0, and then 4.01. Then it was the next version came with XML, XTML 1.0, and finally in 2014 it is introduced 5.0. So now the web designers or whatever engineers want to use to develop the website, they are using most probably HTML5. So these are the various version of HTML5. Let's move to the next topic. Let's understand the features and benefits of HTML. So it's very simple. It is easy to learn and use it, execute command in very less time. Okay, and use it to execute commands in very less time. It's very easy to learn. When you will learn practically, you will find it very easy also to execute. We can create a structured document using different tags in HTML. We can structure easily the website with the help of HTML. It is an interpreter based language, as it is commands are executed instruction by instruction. Its platform dependent language, which means it can be executed on any operating system. So it is independent. Okay, so it is not depend on like particular operating system or these or that, because it is like created with the HTML code. So on any operating system it will work. There is no barrier like particular operating system you have. There are different operating system like Linux or Windows. Generally we are using Windows, DOS, Windows, Linux. These are the operating system, so it doesn't have any dependency on that. Next, it allows the user of different tools to make document look more attractive. And there are many different tools to make our website more attractive, like pictures, images, audio, video, animation, many things you can use it. It provides paragraph alignment features, so you can your text can be aligned left, align right, or center. I hope you got it. We can arrange the text in any place, left side, right side, or in the center. You can also insert an image, a table, and animated text around, or graphics. Okay, sound or graphics on the web page using HTML. So these many options are available to make your web page interactive, like sound, graphics, audio, video, animated text, and all. It allows you to link off different web pages. When you visit to any website, you are clicking on any image, so it get the another page open, or you are clicking on any particular word, the another page get open. So this facility, linking facility, also available with the HTML. It is also provided form and frames for better user interaction. So form options also available. So these all the points which we are also we are going to cover through practicals. Then slow one by step, slowly and gradually we will understand all these features of HTML. So these are the key features of HTML. Okay, and let's move to last topic of this point. What are the tags? So in HTML, the instructions or command, okay, in the form of text character are called text. In short, you keep it in your mind is instructions or commands are called tags. Tags or markup in HTML. Tags instruct browser to retrieve and display information or graphics on the page. Tags only instruct the browser to display whatever text we are typing to display in the browser, internet software. They are surrounded by angular brackets. This tag you can recognize with the help of angular bracket. If some text is written in angular bracket, that means it is an text tag. There are two types of tag: empty tag and container tag. Empty tag has only start tag, and other hand container tag has two tags: start tag as well as end tag. Tags means commands, okay, and there are two types of tag: container tag and empty tag. Okay, how you can recognize it is empty or container? If it has only start, then you can understand it is empty. If it has start as well as end, it is written two times, then that means it is container tag, and it instruct the browser to retrieve or display information. Now let's begin the practical, but before learning the practical, we should be aware of some basic points. Those are, what is HTML? Already we learned hypertext markup language, and it is used for website. Uses of HTML, that is also we covered. Software we need, how many softwares we need for this? Okay, that also we will cover. Then types of tags, parts of HTML program, and basic structure. And then we'll begin the practical. So let's move to the first. What is HTML? Just now we have learned it is hypertext markup language. Okay, and it is web designing software or language. What is website? Website, the page we see on the internet are called website, like YouTube or Google. One amazing fact, just now we have learned it is developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Okay,